हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर आशीष पंचाल फ्रॉम त्रिशा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ बायोलॉजी। बच्चों, जैसे हमने लास्ट वीडियो में देखा था स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ स्टेम, आज हम पढ़ेंगे ब्रांचिंग। सो व्हाट इज ब्रांचिंग? ब्रांचिंग मीन्स द डेवलपमेंट एंड अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द ब्रांचेस ऑन द मेन एक्सिस। मतलब बेटा, अगर जो कोई मेन स्टेम होता है, ओके, तो स्टेम पे जो ब्रांच होते हैं दैट इज नोन एज द ब्रांचिंग. So development and the arrangement of the branches on the main stem, it is known as the branching. So what are the types of the branch? So mainly the branches are divided into two types, dichotomous and the lateral branch. So first, dichotomous branch. Dichotomous matlab the apical bud, okay, suppose this is the main branch, the apical bud is divided into two branch, that is known as the dichotomous, and the newly developed branch is also divided same. For example, this is one branch, it is again divided into two type, here again it is divided into two. So this is known as the dichotomous branching, means the apical bud divide into two branch and the newly developed branch is also do the same, and it is found in the hyphae palm tree. Second one is lateral branch. So in lateral branching, they are further divided into two type, racemous branching and cymose branching. So what is racemous? So in racemous, the apical stem is continuously grow, means their apical part is never stop, it is continuously grow and elongated. So apical bud is continuously grow and the new branch is developed or arise in the acropectal fashion. Acropectal fashion matlab, suppose here it is the nodes in the stem. So one branch is developed from here, then another is here, another one here. So this is known as the acropectal fashion. So a new branch is arise in the acropectal fashion and the new branch will also do the same. मतलब बेटा, अगर ये ब्रांच हुआ तो ये ब्रांच पे भी एक्रोपेक्टल फैशन में नए ब्रांचेस डेवलप होते रहेंगे, और एट द एंड अगर आप ट्री का शेप देखोगे बेटा, तो इट इज लुक लाइक अ पिरामिड शेप, इट इज लुक्स लाइक अ पिरामिड शेप, ओके, एंड इट इज फाउंड इन द पॉलिएथा एंड द कैशिरुएना. अगर बेटा आपको आसोपालो पता हो तो आसोपालो में ऐसे डेवलपमेंट होता है. ओके, नाउ the cymose branching. So what happened in the cymose branching? In cymose branching, this is the main stem and it is the apical part. So apical part is converted into flower or it is arrested. Means यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा था बेटा? The stem is continuously grow, but यहाँ पर the stem apical part after some time the apical part is stopped or it is arrested. So apical bud is arrested after some time. They are divided into three type, uniparous, biparous and multiparous. Uniparous matlab when the apical bud is stopped to grow, immediately the one lateral branch is developed. Okay, one lateral branch is developed, so it is known as the uniparous. If two lateral branch, देखो बेटा यहाँ पर ये stop हो गया growth, अगर दो branching होंगी then it is called biparous. अगर more than two branching are there, then it is known as the multiparous. So uniparous, only one lateral branch is developed. Biparous, two branches develop laterally, and multiparous, more than two branch develop laterally, it is known as the multiparous. In uniparous, further divided into two type, one is the helicoid and second one is the scorpioid. So now what are the difference between helicoid and scorpioid? So in helicoid, always the branch develop one side. For an example, suppose here this is the main branch, the apical growth is stopped, the one branch is developed from here, again one is developed from here. So it is only one direction, एक ही डायरेक्शन में बेटा ब्रांचिंग आगे बढ़ रहा है. So this is known as the helicoid. Okay, and it is found in Asoka. Whereas in scorpioid में बेटा कैसा होगा? So main apical bud is stopped to grow, एक ब्रांच यहाँ से डेवलप होगा तो दूसरा यहाँ से होगा. सो इट इज राइट एंड लेफ्ट, राइट एंड लेफ्ट, ऐसे होगा बेटा. सो दिस इज नोन एज दी स्कॉर्पियोइड ब्रांचिंग एंड इट इज फाउंड इन दी VTs. Biparous, the two lateral branches develop, that is known as the biparous in Mirabilis jalapa, and the multiparous, more than two branches develop, it is found in red oleander and the croton. Okay, so this is all about the branching, development and arrangement of the branch on the main axis. Thank you.